What's up guys, Chiggs here from Chiggs Tech Reviews. So today I've got my hands on the brand new AKASO V1 car dash camera. Now AKASO has been quite an impressive company with their recent AKASO V50 Pro action cameras. Well, the same company has just released this awesome looking car dash camera called the V1. So without further ado, let's just get it out of the box and see what it looks like. So this is everything you get in the box, beginning with the user manual. So we have a mini USB car power adapter, a separate mini USB cable. So if you already have a car adapter and a USB port, you can just use this cable. This also comes with some fixtures and some adhesives. We've got two mounts over here and they look exactly the same. So you've got two spare mounts there. A micro SD card included. You don't usually get a micro SD card included. And this is a 16 GB Kingston. We've got a plastic pry tool. We've got two pieces of clear film over here, and this is actually used to attach the camera to the windscreen. So what you do is peel this sticker off, and there's quite a strong adhesive glue on this sticker, so you don't apply this directly to the windscreen. You put it onto this film first of all, then you can just peel back this film and apply it directly to your windscreen. The benefit of that, it makes this easy to remove on and off the windscreen. So we will be testing this out in a bit to see how effective it actually is. And last but not least, the car dash camera itself. First impressions, it's so light and small in size. Now this car dash camera has a 170-degree wide angle lens on the front, and you'll be able to shoot HD videos at a resolution of 1728 by 1296. Now you have a GPS chip built in, so you'll be able to track your speed and exact location. There is also built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect your smartphone and manage everything from your smartphone. So no PC required, you can manage everything from your smartphone. Now on the back there is a 1.5-inch LCD screen, and you also have a few buttons here to navigate. Now on the side we've got a power button, reset hole, and your mini USB charging port. On the top you've got your dock connector, which simply connects like that. And on the other side you have a speaker, a micro SD card slot, you've got your microphone, and also a dedicated Wi-Fi button. So here is the included 16 GB micro SD card, and this will take up to a maximum of 32 gigs. So it's nice to get a card included. Now this camera does loop recordings. You've got super night vision. The camera can also operate in high temperatures of up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius. So I believe that you've got capacitors inside here instead of your regular batteries. So you can use this in hot climates. Now there is also a built-in G sensor for emergency recordings, which will automatically store and lock recorded files in case an accident is detected. Now this comes with a 16 GB card, but you can upgrade that to a maximum of 32 gigs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take this camera for a spin and find out how good it really is. I'll be right back. So there you have it guys, that was the brand new AKASO V1 car dash camera. Well, what can I say, AKASO have done it again. If I was ranking dash cams, you can bet your bottom dollar this dash camera would be somewhere on the top of the list. Impressive smooth HD video quality, seamless connection to the smartphone app, which also works very well. It's very compact in size and you have everything you could want from a dash camera, including GPS, Wi-Fi, emergency G sensor, great night vision, and you can also use this in a hot climate as it uses capacitors instead of batteries. Also, attaching the camera to the clear film and windscreen was completely secure and works as good as a suction cup. It's also easy to peel off and attach again with minimal effort. Superb dash camera, impressed with the quality and performance, but equally impressed with the low price this is currently selling for. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out, and if you like it, you can of course go ahead and pick one up for yourself. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.